Remote call center work used to sound like a stopgap job. Today, it's a launchpad. If you can communicate clearly, solve problems with empathy, and keep calm when the queue gets long, this path can get you paid training, portable tech skills, and a career ladder that doesn't require a commute, or even a city with big employers. Let's start with what a remote call center agent actually does. It's customer conversation, across phones, chat, and email, but done from home with cloud tools. You'll use CRMs like Salesforce or Zendesk, dialers and headsets, shared knowledge bases, and QA feedback loops. The core of the job is simple. Diagnose the problem, solve it, document it, and make sure the customer feels heard. In practice, that means active listening, de-escalation, and accurate notes, because the next agent depends on what you write. Demand is steady because customer expectations are 24/7 and multi-channel. Companies can extend support hours and languages with distributed teams without opening new offices. And while automation and AI deflect the simple questions, humans handle the nuanced, the emotional, and the high stakes. Paradoxically, as bots get better at the easy stuff, the human role becomes more valuable, just focused on more complex conversations. What about pay? In 2025, typical U.S. base ranges cluster around the high teens per hour, with upside via bonuses or commissions in sales-oriented queues. Healthcare and insurance tend to pay more because of compliance complexity. Tech brands may offer stronger training. Entry-level roles are real and available, but senior agents, licensed representatives, or those with measurable upsell impact can comfortably push higher totals. If you're trying to break in, 3 skill pillars move the needle. First, communication. Reflect back what you heard. Propose 1 or 2 clear options, and confirm the plan. Second, tool fluency. Even light experience with Salesforce, HubSpot, Zendesk, or Freshdesk gives recruiters confidence you'll ramp quickly. Third, remote productivity, consistent availability, time blocking, and tidy documentation. Bonus points for typing speed, aim for 40-60 WPM or higher, and for showing you know the basics of data privacy and secure handling of customer information. Who's hiring? Big BPOs like Concentrix, Foundever, Teleperformance, TTEC, and Alorica post remote roles year-round. So do brands like Apple, healthcare leaders like United Health Group and CVS Health, and contractor platforms like LiveOps and Working Solutions. Each has different schedules, equipment requirements, and pay structures, so read the fine print and apply to a range. Where should you actually look? Start with targeted searches on HireBasis. You'll find curated openings for remote call center agents, plus the broader Find Work page for adjacent roles. Then layer in LinkedIn and Indeed. On LinkedIn, tighten your headline, Remote CSR, Salesforce, Zendesk, 60 WPM, and add measurable wins in your experience. Comment on recruiter posts, share a short story of a time you rescued a tough customer, and keep a crisp DM pitch handy. When you're ready to apply, optimize your resume and profile around outcomes. Handled 60-plus calls day, improved CSAT from 86% to 93%, maintained 5 o'clock AHT. Add short skills test badges and, if relevant, health, finance, or insurance compliance notes. Your cover letter should be 2 tight paragraphs, your home setup and reliability, then relevant wins and tool stack. For interviews, prepare star stories about de-escalation, troubleshooting, and how you stay disciplined working from home. What are the trade-offs? The pros are flexibility, no commute, and skills that stack into QA, team lead, workforce management, or account management. The cons are state restrictions for some employers, variable hours, and the reality that automation keeps reshaping entry-level tasks. The hedge is simple. Lean into empathy, complex troubleshooting, process ownership, and CRM mastery, things that are harder to automate. Here's your next step. Take 2 minutes to set job alerts and polish your profile on HireBasis. Add a typing benchmark, note your CRM experience, and list 1 quantifiable support win. Then apply to 3 roles today, 1 BPO, 1 brand, and 1 contractor platform. You'll learn what employers value, you'll iterate fast, and you'll be surprised how quickly your candidacy improves. Remote call center work isn't just a job at home. It's a skill stack you can carry anywhere. Start now. Your next customer might be the one that unlocks your next opportunity.